Hello guys, let's create this really nice wing in Autodesk Inventor 2022 and NACA for CAD. We can start with 2D sketch in base plane and create root of airfoil. Another 2D sketch will be placed between the structure and aerodynamical part. Dip will be made as the thinnest part of the wing. Now we can connect our sketches by a loft. What about a detail of airfoil tip? It will be made with the 2 additional sketches. One of them will be nearly with the same length like our latest foil. Second one will be a super short, or we can use point instead of a full shape. Loft can help us connect them. If you don't like sharp edges in your foil, smooth them with the radius. That's it. If you want to make a same wing, simply like that, you can support us and then start using our plugin NACA for CAD. Thank you so much and a good luck with your project. Bye!